Now, we haven't done a Bitcoin video in quite some time, but I think that it's important that we do. And the reason for it is this. We've been in this bear market cycle for quite some time. We're going on basically a year now, okay? And as we get closer to the bottom of these bear market cycles, we start to see some indicators that will let us know that the market may not be dropping much further. And one of the biggest indicators of this is the movement of coins. So for example, yesterday, one Bitcoin whale moved $940 million worth of dormant BTC out of Coinbase Pro. So let me ask you this, okay? If you think that the market is going to continue dropping and you want to sell some of your crypto, are you going to leave it? Are you going to take it out of the exchange? No, you'd probably leave it there, right? Because you want to be able to sell it. So this, again, is a huge indicator. And keep in mind, this is just one whale with $940 million. That means there's likely other whales that are doing the same thing. Now keep in mind, there might be vice versa. There might be some people moving crypto to exchanges to sell it, right? But again, this is typically a huge indicator that we are getting close to the bottom or may even be there already, okay? So obviously, big money knows the safest way to keep your coins safe is off exchanges. Now, obviously, there's a saying that goes around: not your keys, not your coins, and it refers to, obviously, if coins are on exchanges, the coins aren't actually yours. Okay, they're just sitting in a custody wallet on the exchange. So just keep that in mind. Obviously, this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you want. Okay, but I keep mine in cold storage. I do not leave mine connected to the chain or anything like that because I know that's not the safest way to do things. Now, that being said, this is, again, a very good indicator for Bitcoin. And what we're starting to see in the Bitcoin charts, if we look at that, this is the 1-year chart I'm looking at here. We can see that ever since June, okay, we've had some attempted pumps out of the current range that we're in, but we've been pretty much flat since since the start of June, okay, middle of June. We'll call it middle of June. There hasn't really been much movement. And again, I talk about this, in other videos about other coins, but we are arguably in a worse place from a macroeconomic standpoint than we were 3 months ago, 4 months ago. Okay, June is 4 months ago now. Time moves fast, right? But, at this point, inflation is higher than it was. Interest rates are higher than it was. The war continues to drag out in Ukraine. Okay, we obviously have midterm elections coming up. There's all these things that are happening that, again, are arguably worse than they were back in June. But yet the Bitcoin price and the market price seems to hold consistent. It hasn't really changed much since then. Now, could there be more downside? Absolutely, right? Crypto moves fast. We don't know what exactly is going to happen. But I'm compelled to say that we're probably going to stay the same for a little while here, at least. We may even continue to go up. Who knows, or may start to go up. Who knows what is obviously going to happen? If we look at the previous cycles we've gone through, I mean, there have been extended periods of sideways trading. For example, you look at the bear market, from 2014 through basically almost 2016. There was a 12-month period where it was almost, or a 9-month period where it was almost, just sideways trading. Okay. And the bear market after 2017, after the run up there, there's periods of sideways trading. Okay. The sideways trading tends to be the indicator that we are close to the bottom or almost done with the bear market. Now, I'm not saying that right away we're going to get an indicator that we're back in a bull market, okay? There are these periods of sideways trading. It's not like we just hit the bottom and then we take off again. That's not how it works. It'd be great if it did, but again, with the macroeconomic conditions surrounding crypto right now, it's going to be a little wild, and that's fine, okay? I'm not in a hurry. I hope you guys aren't either. Crypto's not get rich quick. But these are the times where a lot of people are accumulating and really setting themselves up well for the next cycle that is to come. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. Again, take what I say with a grain of salt. You can do your own research. I definitely recommend you do that. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. But again, these are the things that we're starting to see in the chart, and there are indicators showing that we may be close to the end, not of crypto, but of the bear market. Now, as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure you show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell. That way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.